Just a real quickie today. Got 3 days of growth going on, so don't have a ton of growth. I'm going to go in with my Rockwell 6S on the 6 plate. Whatever plate's showing, that's the plate you're shaving with. A lot of people get that messed up. Don't know how, but they do. It's one of my favorite soaps, Ariana and Evans, the Woods and Spices. And obviously my timeless adjustable brush, one of my absolute favorites. Now I did just jump out of the shower. That is my pre-shave routine. And now I'm just gonna go in here and grab some of this soap, and that's loaded. Put it on my face here. I like to go on a little bit dry. See how I went back down and got more shaving soap? Don't be afraid to go back down and grab more soap. And this is how to create a perfect face lather. So once you get it on your face like that, you can just set this down, dip the tips in 1/8 of an inch in your water, and then break the backbone. And it's just gonna lather up for you like instantly. This is how good Ariana and Evans is. You can't get away with this with every soap to get it to pop so quick, but Ariana and Evans is just so freaking good. You haven't tried it, pick it up. Just went back down for some more water, and I'm breaking the backbone of the brush to help lift up those hairs and get this shaving cream, soap, whatever you want to call it, on my face. Now, even though I've added a little bit of water to it, that's still pretty dry. So you want to just keep adding water to it. A lot of times, like I cut out a lot of the face lathering because in my mind, if I'm not talking, there's no sense for me showing anything on video. So just working this up, keep adding more water. All right, going back down for some more. You notice I'm spending more time on my neck because it's my most sensitive area. So just going in with this Rockwell 6C, cut in a perfect line here. Now, there is a Dorco blade in this. It does have one shave on it. I was gonna put a new one in, but I'm like, you know what? A lot of people shave 2, 3, 4, 5 times on a blade. So I'll just give that this another shot. Not that it was a bad razor or razor blade at all. But just to let you guys know, I got 1 million views last month, so I hit my goal this year already. Thank you so much for your support. That is unheard of in this space. Now, it's a little crunchy sounding right now because normally what I do is I do my first pass, I shouldn't say my first pass, I lather up the soap on my face, and then I, load in a blade, talk about the razor a little bit, and then I go back in and hydrate my face. Today I didn't do that. So you can see this razor is a little more crunchy right now than normal. God, the razor's just so freaking good though. I mean, it's like on autopilot for me. I've used it so much. Obviously, someone's calling me while I'm shooting a video. Not new here. Meeting a few people out for lunch today, and I'm sure that's them. Where are you? All right, let's give this a rinse real quick here. Missed a little bit right here. Yeah, that's good. All right. Am I going to go in for a second pass? Yeah, I am actually. So me, didn't add any more soap to this. I just put it on my face real quick, right? My face is already slick, but then I cheat. I pull out the excess soap in the brush and just apply it to my face. To me, that's a perfect setup. All right, real quick, second pass. A little runny, but you can see I just did this whole side of my face with rinsing it one time. Same thing over here. All right, let's go into the post-shave routine here. So now I'm switching this to cold water. I shave on lukewarm water. I say that all the time. So I'm switching to cold. It's sweating pretty good. Make sure all my lines are the way I want them right now on my face. Does that match here? No, that's a little off. Let's go up a little higher. Okay, that's good. Now what I do is I go in with my alum block. If you don't have one of these, pick one up. Most of you guys will because, you know, you're members of the channel. And then I just go over my face. To me, the Rockwell is like a must-have razor. It's like a Henson. I think you have to have it because I know me, when I'm struggling with my technique, I just always go back to the Henson. And personally, the Rockwell 6C, the little brother to the 6S, made me a better shaver. I mean, it really did. I went from a Merkur 34C to a Rockwell, and night and day difference. I mean, it really did make me a better shaver. So once you got that on your face, you just want to rinse it off. You don't, you're going to get like a, I don't know, like a residue left on your face. Okay. Next step for me, Thayer's facial toner. I use this stuff damn near every day. It's so cheap. It's like $8 to $10, depending on, you know, where you buy it from. But it's great stuff. It goes on super slick. Now, if you put an aftershave on top of that, it's just going to soak right into your skin, and it's going to be silky smooth for the rest of the day. So I'm going to take some Rockwell Aftershave Balm. This stuff is my absolute favorite. Just put it on where you shaved. I like putting it on my head as well. And that's a wrap. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being a member of the channel, and I'll post more videos like this, just real quickies. Have a great week.